friends, good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss important topic of a artificial intelligence, that is mean end analysis. So mean end analysis, basically it is a heuristic searching techniques. And what is the heuristic searching techniques, which we already covered in last lecture. So, heuristic searching technique, with the help of heuristic function, it provided guided search for the state space problem. Search now, what is mean end analysis? It is a search strategy to go forward or backward. But what happens when direction is to be changed according to the problem requirement? Mean end analysis, which searches technique to reduce the gap between current state and the goal state. It measures the distance between the current state and goal state and then apply an operator to the current state so that the distance between the resulting state and the goal state, which is to be reduced. So what is the main concept of a mean end analysis, which cover or measure the distance from source node or goal node? Here we will say it as a current goal, current state or goal state, and from that it will measure the mean from that, calculate the mean from that, and the resulting state is final the and calculate the goal state. This method, which is to be relies on different rule. So the algorithm for mean end analysis is, mean end analysis started with current and goal. Next, compare current state to the goal state. If there is no any difference between, then return. Second, otherwise select the most important difference and reduces it by doing the following until there might be two chances, success or failure. So here we have to repeatedly call this function until we find out our goal. A. Select an untried operator which is to be applicable to the current difference. If there are no such operator, then signal failure. So what are these operators and what are these concept which we will discuss in a block world problem? Okay, so what is this concept? First, untried operator you have to try. If there is no any operator is there, then signal failure. Attempt to apply O, that is operator O, to the current and generate description of two state. O start, a state in which O's precondition are satisfied, and O result. Yes, obviously the state would result if operator were applied to start. If, third condition, if first part is less than equal to mean end analysis current operator start, and last part is less than equal to mean end analysis operator result goal, then signal success and return the result of the concatenating. So mean end analysis, what it concept, these things we will discuss in block world problem. Okay, so don't bother about this. Mean end analysis, which is to be concept, that is heuristic searching technique. There heuristic function which is already available, and with the help of that we are going to guide the state space search problem. Okay, so what is heuristic function? So heuristic function, it is a function, it calculate f of n and g of n. So okay, so what is this? These things we are already covered in a AO star algorithm, so you have to go through that video. Okay, so mean end analysis, it is a technique, heuristic searching technique. With the help of that, what we are trying to do, we are trying to start from current state and we have to go through the go up to the destination node or goal node. And here, with the help of this technique, we are going to measure the difference between them. And there are different algorithm which is to be different step which is to be followed, which is to be covered in an algorithm. And finally we will reach to the our goal node with the help of different precondition. Okay. Okay, thank you so much.